All right, YouTubers, welcome back to my channel. So we are on day far too long of this quarantine, and I decided, well, since I'm going to be trapped indoors, I might as well take my skate journey inside. Did I forget to tell you that I'm on a skate journey? So yes, I bought my first pair of quad skates last year. I've been kind of consistent with it. I'm trying to do better. I bought the Impala Roller Skates. Okay, clearly I wear them because these are the Impala Roller Skates in the holographic. I like them because they look trippy, and I've been tripping on them, so. But mainly I've been skating with these outdoors, and they are filthy wheels. So I decided I'm gonna put some fresh wheels on them so I can skate in the house without bringing this gunk inside. It's okay, it's honeybee. I looked up, how to change your wheels on your skates, but I forgot what it said already. But have no fear, I think it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Like, as I take it apart, I'll just remember how I took it apart and then put it back together how I took it apart. So this is a vlog / tutorial. We're going to learn together how to change the wheels on your skates. All right, if you're going outside to change the wheel on your skates today, you are going to need the least amount of clothing to start. Because winter left yesterday and now it is officially summer. Next thing you're gonna need to change the wheel on your skates are all of your safety equipment. So that means your guards, your knee pads, your elbow pads, and your wrist guards. This is gonna be super important for being safe while changing your wheels. So now you're like super protected in case while you're changing the wheels, like zombies pop up. Like, we're in the apocalypse right now. Let's not forget, COVID, I see you. All right, the next thing you're gonna need for changing your wheels are wheels. So you have 2 skates that have 4 wheels. So you should have 8 wheels. I only have 4. I don't know where my other 4 are. So yeah, I guess only one pair of skates is going to be getting a clean set. Then like the last thing you're gonna need for changing the wheels on your skates is this tool. Powerdyne Y3 tool. I don't know how to do cool effects. I was gonna like boomerang it at the camera and then like catch it back, but I'm not cool. Let's get started on one pair of skates. Thing first, I guess I'm going to use one of these. I'm gonna say the 1/2 inch is probably the tool to use to get this net off. It sounded dirty. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. What's happening? About this bones, there it is, bones bearing tool that like pops out the bearing for ya. Oh my god, these are so dirty. I honestly don't even want to put these on my new wheels because they need to be cleaned so bad. And considering I only have 4 wheels, I'm going to just take these wheels off, clean the bearings like I intended to, and then I'll have a better roll, a cleaner wheel for just cleaning these wheels up instead of adding on my new ones. Sounds like a plan. Yeah. Tardy, tardy. Left it loose. So hard. Wait, you're killing my vibe. Oh my god. Everything's falling. Oh my god, the rotating. Everything's falling. No one's filming it. It's gonna get solar. I can't do this anymore. Safety procedures. What was that? Oh my god. Okay, well, that was tedious. I lost parts. Oh, hi. I found it. And let's try this again without all of the theatrics. Yes. Look at this wheel. It has... Yep, that's not right. It's a good thing I'm doing this because there's clearly more that I need to fix on my wheels. Alright, well, I can't even get this one out of here. Wow. Been skating on a death trap for the past couple days. Oh my gosh, this wheel has the same problem. What have I been doing to these wheels? How have I been skating? Clearly, not correctly. Not sure what this problem is. Somebody who skates, help me. Yeah, I don't really understand it. This bearing is all jumbled in here. Oh lordy, y'all. A whole process. Alright, y'all. What started off as a seemingly simple wheel change has morphed into a much more complicated situation. There are things loose in here, and I don't know what they are. Let's go ahead and cue a dramatic cliffhanger.
Unprepared for the world of skate maintenance, will Channing ever get the bearings out of those wheels? Will she learn cool effects? Find out next time on Quarantined with Cookie.